This road always clean. You can buy also here fish, shrimp. Fish 100 peso, shrimp small 100. Oh, not peso. It's 100 Thai baht. In Nakloa 16 road. So I am in Nakloa road. Nakloa 16 road. This is tuk-tuk. In the Philippines it's called jeepney, but this is tuk-tuk name. In Thailand. Long Beach Garden Hotel. So many hotels here. Left side beach, right side main road, Nakloa main road. This is Russian restaurant. Kimchi. All in Russian. Thai massage. Hello, it's 200 baht 1 hour, yes?
Yes,
And foot massage also 200.
yes, done.
Okay, okay. Next time, thank you, thank you. Nicholas already pharmacy. I will check. Hello, hello.
Hi.
What is this?
Some friend ordered.
Your friend order. Is scrub 100 peso. Body cream. A big choice here also.
95 baht. Same from 10 milligram. And this is
Yes, same.
8 milligram. It's better. Can I open it? You can show me.
But I don't know what popular. Fish oil.
It's
How much fish oil? I don't know the price.
okay. If she likes, I come back to buy it.
Excuse me, antibiotics I can buy here? No, not need receipt.
Antibiotic tablet.
Yes, tablet. It's okay, no problem. Pills.
Easy.
So any antibiotic can buy, not need prescription.
Good. Oh
Let
man.
me see. Different.
No, this levels for
I understand. Yes.
acetyl amoxiclav.
Different. Okay. Okay. Later I will come back. Okay. Thank you very much. It's also have another. It's the same. It's same shop.
No.
Different. Oh, this is so many. It's traditional medicine. Yeah. Okay. Before I bought, say, 3 years ago, we've been with Shira. Same, 39 baht. If you have pain, just oil fine. And this also. Oh, this is of course coffee. tea. I bought so many for Shire, she like. What is this mix? Also mix. It's candy. Face mask. 50 baht. So big choice. So for bathrooms, salt. For swimming pool, all have. Oil, 80 baht. Yeah, so many face masks here.
วันนี้28เอาไป16
This is bought from tea. I bought from Emirates. This is blue tea, is traditional Thai tea. In Big C, I seen this same package, maybe 70 baht. Here is 49 baht, it's cheaper. And also this is 65, but in the market, in Big C, I seen for 100 peso or 100 baht this one. This is 65 only. Here cheaper. It's also very popular in Thailand.
We order it.
This is very popular tea. This is black tea, Thai black tea, but very popular. Nicholas said in Europe, so many people want to buy. This is 129 baht. Only this, not this.
Yes, they like this, I don't know. I never try. This is good.
You seen this is 3 for 100 baht.
Yes, normally it says yes.
But here 35 baht, one pieces.
Mm,
No, maybe I cannot discount here.
never try.
If you
But I
buy.
think this, somewhere it's hard, but this shop I think more high price.
Okay.
Because this place, it's rich people stay
Yeah,
here.
yeah, because it's a popular place.
Fresh juice.
It's fresh juice mango. Yeah, in Russian it's fresh juice. 40 baht.
Last, yeah, 40 baht.
Uh-huh.
Like you can buy this sweet rice. Yeah.
Okay, Nicholas, I will go to
Yes, do it.
shopping.
Okay. I will go to another market, a local.